Hi and welcome, Lisa here, bringing you another product reveal with the postage die. This die measures 4 inches wide by 5¼ inches high, making it perfect for A2 cards. Each little window die cuts a perfect stamp shape, giving you awesome 2-for-1 cut. Now I have samples to share with you to show you how easy that 2-for-1 is. But first, let's talk about a few other ideas using this die. So here I've created a shaker card, and it's so easy using the 1/8 of an inch adhesive strips that are on the market today. I also thought that this would be perfect to create simple bingo cards for a child's party. And you can see I paired it with the Halloween postage stamp set here, and you can check out that reveal. I have it linked at the end of this video for you. So here are a few of the samples to show you the 2-for-1 cards I created using this die. And if you want to see more inspiration featuring the postage die set, head over to the Whimsy Stamps blog and follow Whimsy Stamps on Instagram. Be sure you're sharing your projects with us in the Whimsy Stamps and Inspiration Facebook group. Thanks for joining. Don't forget to ring that bell so you'll be notified when new content is added to the channel. And until next time, take care.